Welcome to the new blog, guys. Guys, today I'm going to visit one very important place, and I thought that I need to, show you so that you can also think of that how exactly these people have done this work. But indirectly, guys, before showing that, I can tell you this is called engineering failure. Guys, I guess that initially their intention was good because they tried to construct one tunnel so that people can come and go easily, but they failed. Guys, I think you are getting confused at what I am talking about, but yeah, just stay tuned and just see what exactly I was talking about. Guys, you can see the signboard here. We are walking through the railway track, and you see the signboard over here. It's written the name Melekading. Okay, you see the route, guys, and yeah, this is the main tunnel. Why they build a tunnel? I'll tell you the main reason behind it. Guys, I think from that scene you have some basic idea that why they build that path. Actually, that is called alternate path instead of that, so that the common people can cross the railway track without much difficulties. This is the original route, guys, and they construct another alternate route so that common people can cross the railway track easily. Initially I told you that intention was good, but the main problem is, see the water, the condition of water, how it's stored over here. So they kept one machine over here so that the Perry engines, they can throw out the water easily in another surface, but they failed here also. Because how can it possible? Because see the distance, and you can see the depths and as well as the width of that particular tunnel, guys. I'm telling you, genuinely I'm telling you that around more than 20 lakhs they invested here. They just simply spend that money because it's it won't help to any people because they can't cause the railway track from this the path. So this is just simply they construct because in this I think in this constructional level there is much more, there is lot more civil engineers who are involved. But I think how exactly they planned out to build this tunnel, but they fully failed, guys. If initially if it was well planned, even they have if they will measure in a proper way how much depth they need to cut down and how exactly they are going to construct, so that this difficulty won't become, and definitely it will be helpful for people as how much money they invested. And you can think of, guys, that there is alternate method that first time when I have seen there, I have visited, so I just saw that there is water, right? So I just thought that if we pour some soil, or if we pour some what is it called, concrete over the water, indirectly I want to say that if we increase the level of the ground by pouring water, pouring soil or some concrete, if we do concretizations, what will happen? Because this route basically for four-wheelers or some earth moving equipment, some earth moving wheelers as well. So they can't cross because if they are in like upper surface, the body it will be crashed over the the surface which is touched directly to the tunnel, guys. So it won't like it won't be the alternate method to do. So this is just simply the construct. So that's what I thought of to show you guys that how involved the involvement of engineers, the involvement of the people who did these constructions, but it was fully failed, guys. It was fully failed because they didn't success. Even it won't help for people as well. So it should not be like that. They can but there was a way. There was a proper way. So they should have do in that by planning, by maintaining everything, like whatever that the distractions, whatever the resistance they need to come across, and they are facing now. They should have consider earlier while they planned over here. So you see the machine, man, guys. That machine is simply just throwing out the water, but it won't help. It won't possible to do these things, guys. So every time they throw out the water again, suddenly the water